Exporting to Google Earth. This video will show you how to export well spots to Google Earth. You can now export horizontal gas well lines. This video does assume you know how to search and load the main grid in LPD. This video also assumes you know how to find wells within a radius. If you'd like to learn how to do a search or how to find wells within a radius, please visit lpdinfo.com. First, let's load the main grid. Now, click the Google Earth icon. Here are our Google Earth options. Click Next. Here's our Google Earth map. You can hover your mouse pointer over any well spot to see the API number or the lease name. Now let's click on a well spot. Notice the summary information for the well you clicked on. If you would like to see the lease name when hovering the mouse over a well spot, load up the Google Earth options again and click the Lease Name Radio button. Notice that when you hover the mouse over the well spot now, it shows the lease name. Here are some other Google Earth options. You can click on Show Directional Lines, and you can change the icon size of the well spots. Select your options and click Next. Here you see the horizontal well lines for gas wells on Google Earth. Let's go back to the properties again. We're going to click on the Use Persistent Labels option. Click Next again. Now you see that all the well spots are labeled with API numbers without having to hover the mouse pointer. We can change that from showing API numbers to lease name by clicking on the Lease Name Radio button. Going back to the main grid, let's just look at a few of the wells. So let's place some check marks on the left-hand side of some rows. Click on the Google Earth icon again. Click Next. And now you see only the rows that we had placed the check marks on are showing on the Google Earth map. Now, let's combine wells within radius with Google Earth. From the main grid, let's just select one row, place a check mark on the left. Now right-click the mouse and select Get Wells Within Radius. Click on Yes. And let's enter 3.14 for the number of miles. Then we'll click OK. Now the grid is only showing wells that are within the 3.14 mile radius of our selected lease. Send that to Google Earth, so click on the Google Earth icon, click on Next. Don't forget, to learn how to do wells within a radius, you can visit lpdinfo.com. Here's our map showing all the wells within our selected radius. And also don't forget, you can select more than one well before doing the Get Wells Within Radius to see multiple results.